If you want to grow fast on YouTube in 2026, don't skip this. There's a channel that gained around 50,000 subscribers with just 30 videos. And the craziest part? The videos are easy to make, completely free, and have insane viral potential. Right now, only 1 or 2 channels are doing this properly. Meanwhile, skeleton content is already overcrowded and highly competitive. Let me show you step by step how to do this. Step 1. Get the script automatically. First, go to the channel and copy the link of one of their videos. Then open Chrome and search for Notebook.lm. Open the top website. Click Create. Paste the video link. Within seconds, it generates a full script for you. Step 2. Make it unique. Copy that script. Now open ChatGPT and paste it. Type, "Give me a script like this but different and more engaging." And just like that, you'll get a fresh, unique version in the same style. Step 3. Get scene prompts. Now go to YouTube and take a screenshot of one skeleton-style video. Upload that screenshot to ChatGPT and say, "Give me image generation prompts in this exact style for every scene." ChatGPT will generate detailed prompts for each scene automatically. Step 4. Generate images. Next, open Whisk AI in your browser. Set the ratio to 9:16. Vertical for shorts. Paste each prompt and generate all your images. Step 5. Turn images into videos. Now go to Grok Chaha. Sign up. Click on Video Generation. Choose Animated Image. Upload your image and describe the motion you want. Within seconds, it creates an animated clip. Repeat for all scenes. Step 6. Add voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT and type, "Give me a cinematic AI voiceover script for this video." Take that script and generate a voice using any free AI voice tool. I personally use Speechma, it's free. Step 7. Edit everything together. Open any editing app. Match the voiceover with each scene. Add transitions. Add background music. And that's it. Video is ready, and subscribe. If you want more AI video tutorials,